In this video, I will show you how to convert USDT to TON on Bybit. To do this, open up the Bybit app or website and go to Assets in the bottom right. From there, click Convert, and then at the top you want to set it to USDT. And then at the bottom just click on whatever it says now, so for me Bitcoin, and then click on the search bar and type in TON, and there you will find it. So then here choose how much you want to convert and then click Quote. From here you can then see the fee and how much you will get. So if you want to confirm, then just click on Confirm. And once you click Confirm, your USDT will then be swapped for TON. So you can see right here, conversion complete, and now if I go view assets, I have about $1 in TON. So that's how to convert USDT to TON on Bybit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.